What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today is we're gonna be cleaning the car up a little bit. We're using Griot's products. I highly recommend them. The wheel cleaner is really good. The heavy duty cleaner is good. The light cleaner is really good. I never used this yet. I may try this on mine because I have a lot of what do you call it, debris on it. So I'm gonna see how this works. The rubber cleaner works. This works really good on the exterior and interior stuff. It really gives it a nice shine and reviving them. This is their car wash they have. It's really good. You only need to use about an ounce for 2 gallons, and that's what I kind of like about it. It's like you don't need to use a lot of it. You can use more, make it more sudsy if you want, and I think you can use it in like a foam can if you want to. They also make a separate thing for that. But another cool thing is all the products smell amazing, for an exception of this one. This one smells a little like garbage, but I'm assuming it's a very heavy duty remover. Actually, I forgot. It's here, the heavy duty wheel cleaner or this one. Whatever which one it is, it smells terrible. It smells like garbage, and it's like, oh my god. Because I was smelling them all, I'm like, this is amazing, amazing smell, amazing smell. Next time I hit the wall, I was like, oh, okay. Too big of a whiff on that one. So, but yeah, so we're gonna go clean the car, Blueberry. We're gonna be doing just a basic, we're just gonna clean her off real quick, get all the bugs off her from Florida. I haven't cleaned her yet. Had to get a new windshield put in her again because there was like a little thing on the windshield. There was a defect in it, and it looked like an ocean on one side of the window. So I was like, all right, I'm not paying $450 for this just for this to look like this, if you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna go out, we're gonna give her a nice good clean all around and show you guys what it looks like and all that. Also, guys, as soon as we get done washing her, we're gonna give an update on the quad, the truck, what's going on with this car here, and the Tahoe, which over on the side behind the house here, but not too big with that truck. But so let's just get her all cleaned up and we'll get to that point. All right, guys, here's the cars now. She's all cleaned up, got the tires all shined up. They look a lot better than what they did. But all right, so on to other matters now that she's all cleaned up. All right, so I'm gonna explain what's going on with this car. This car, it needs a new head. I think I did a little update video on her. I said, so look at that video. But she has a new head. We got the head inside the house. You'll see the video of that in it. New head, new turbo, needs to go into that. I gotta take the head off still, but it's freaking hot out to be really doing anything like that out right now. But that's what's gonna go on there. As of right now, I don't know when the next video is coming out. Her lug nuts, I need to finish zooming in these lug nuts here, or not lug nuts, studs. You look back here, you see they're still hanging out a little bit. No, this might be all the way down, but this one's definitely not. Actually, I don't even know. Yeah, so this one's all the way down. This one's right here, has that little gap. So these ones here have still go down. But that's that. She needs a lot of love here. She needs ring and ball joints, a new caliper, a new seal in the thing over there, the diff. For our jet ski here, we're probably gonna take her for a ride soon. This weekend we're going Sunday, so I might get a video of the jet ski running. I really hope so. I never really got one for that yet. For this guy here now, I still gotta make the video. I just haven't had time. Every time I go to make it, it's like, I don't know, you're way too tired, or yeah, I'm just not in the mood to do it, or you know, or most 90% of the time it's really I don't have time, and I'm really I'm not really even home anymore. Oh god, don't sting me, please. That looks freaking violent. But yeah, so for her, the turbo thing, it's gonna wait a little bit. I'm going back to school soon, so she's gonna wait a little bit, but we're gonna get her going soon. I'm thinking about maybe tonight I'm gonna go put the carburetor together. We'll do a video on that. I may or may not do a video with it. It all depends on, you know, how fast I want to get it done. But then, you know, we'll make a video of the after effects of me doing it. But yeah, so that's what's going on with her. That's going on with the jet ski. That's going on with the 93 Chevy Blazer here, Blackie. She's running good. I've been driving her for pretty much I don't know, about a month now. And yeah, you guys, in the the tire fixing video, I'll explain what happened with the whole tire thing. But other than that, she's been running good. I had her going 90 on the Parkway, and she just goes. She does not like to go slow. She likes to just go, which that's pretty cool. Like, you know, pretty damn old truck. But yeah, and you know what's funny? I don't even know what the go-kart's at. Oh, go-kart's over here. Go-kart, nothing really big going on with her yet. I don't know. I want to do the motor build up on her. get the motor built up a little bit, but we'll see. That's expensive for a little motor, and I'd rather put the money into Mr. Blackie or you know, into the Mustang. You're getting a V8 Mustang or a Pro Charge Mustang. I don't know what I'm doing yet with it. I am having such many different thoughts on it. It's like, so it's like I can go for a Pro Charge, you know, it's pretty damn cool, you know. Nobody really has one, you know, pretty cool. I'll be sneak up my stock GTs. But yeah, if I were to get a GT, because I do want a manual. Mine's automatic. I really want a manual. I have fun driving my dad's car so much, and it's, I don't know. It's one of those things where I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do. So, I don't know. During school year, I'll think about it. We'll see how money goes, and also, and yeah, we'll see. And also, content-wise, I think the Pro Charge would be cool for content, but the GT, I'd be able to do more content in a way with it. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But other than that, guys, there's a little update with everything. A little update on the truck, the jet ski, the quad, the Blueberry, her. So, other than that, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.